In this video I'll show you how to change seat position via screen display. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and go to Settings. Enter Seat and select Seat, front, driver or passenger. Next, select Adjust. Here you can adjust seat height, position and angle. Next, you can adjust seat cushion angle and lumbar support. In the end, tap Save and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.